Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the phone notifications on this device. First, let's open the Galaxy Wearable app on our phone. In the app, let's scroll down and tap on the watch settings option. Here, tap on notifications, and if you don't have the notification access enabled for the Galaxy Watch 4 plugin, you will get this error, or rather notice here. You need to tap on allow, then tap on Galaxy Watch 4 plugin, tap on the switch to enable it, and then tap allow to confirm. Once the notification access is enabled, let's go back to the Galaxy Wearable app, and here we have a couple of options we can customize for our notifications. First one is show phone notifications on watch. Let's tap on it, and here we have two options. First one is show alerts when phone is not in use, and this option will basically show you the notifications on your watch only when your phone is locked or turned off, my bad. And the second option is show alerts even when phone is in use. So this option will show you the notifications when the phone is turned off and locked, and also when it's being used currently. Select the option you like by tapping on it and then go back. Next we have mute notifications on phone, and we can enable or disable this option. What this option does is basically if you have your watch on your wrist, the notifications on your phone will be muted, and you can enable this option or disable it. Then we have the list of apps right here, most recent apps on phone or watch, and we can enable or disable the notifications for the app itself right here. If you want to have more apps, or rather see the list of all the apps, tap on more, then tap right here and select all. As you can see here, we have the list of apps on our phone, and we can enable the notifications for them or disable them. We can also tap on the all apps button to enable or disable them all. Okay. And below we have advanced notification settings, and here we have few more options. First one is notification indicator, and this basically shows you the indicator on the watch face that you have unread notification, and you can enable or disable this option. Next we have read notification allowed, and you can enable or disable this option. If you have the headphones connected to your watch, the notifications will be read aloud through your headphones, and you can enable this option or disable it. Next option is turn on screen. Basically this will wake up the screen of your watch if you get the notification, and you can enable or disable this option. And last option is turn on for new apps, and basically whenever you install new apps on your phone or the watch, it will enable the notifications for them automatically, and you can enable or disable this option like this. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.